Looking for a fast, precise, and reliable marking solution for your production line? Introducing the HeatSign 10W Galvo laser marking machine, the ideal solution for high-quality, non-contact marking on a variety of materials. This 10W laser marker is designed for batch marking tasks, including dates, QR codes, serial numbers, and batch numbers. It delivers ultra-fine markings without damaging heat-sensitive materials. Watch the HS-UV10 in action. See how it efficiently marks various products used in different industries. The HS-UV10 can be seamlessly integrated into automated production lines, ensuring efficient, continuous marking with minimal downtime. With HeatSign, you get more than just a machine. You get expert support, reliable performance, and a marking solution built for your business. Visit www.heatsign.com or email us